After doing all possible cost and benefits analysis, Congress has finally put one step ahead to the formation of Telangana as the 29th state of India, over which mixed reactions have started pouring in. Amidst concerns over various intricacies related to separate Telangana and Hyderabad, Congress General Secretary and parties in charge of Andhra Pradesh, Digvijay Singh, has said that Hyderabad will remain the joint capital of both the states, as ultimately Hyderabad will remain in Telangana.
आंध्र प्रदेश से जो तेलंगाना राज्य अलग होगा तो उसके लिए राजधानी कहां होगी? कोई न कोई जगह तो होगी। जब तक नई राजधानी नहीं बन जाती है तब तक के लिए एक जॉइंट कैपिटल का हैदराबाद रहेगा, लेकिन हैदराबाद तेलंगाना की ही राजधानी अंतर्गतवा रहेगी, ये भी निर्णय में शामिल है।
Pro-Telangana activists went into jubilant mode following the announcement. Telangana supporters shouted Jai Telangana slogans and distributed sweets to celebrate the moment. From Delhi to Hyderabad, the enthusiasm and happiness got louder.
Yes, sir, we are very happy about the Telangana decision that Sonia Gandhi has taken. We were waiting for 60 years. Now we are very happy. And it will be very beneficial to all the Telangana people.
फायदा अच्छा होगा। अभी मालूम होगा आप क्या क्या होगा। अभी तो जो है ना आपको एक चीज रिजर्वेशंस के लिए मालूम होगा और जॉब्स के लिए मालूम होगा।
There are voices against the decision as well. Normal life was disrupted in Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra regions as the shutdown began in the two regions. Educational institutions, commercial establishments remained closed and the services of state-run Andhra Pradesh Road Transport Corporation were suspended. The shutdown bandh has evoked near total response in all major towns in Visakhapatnam, Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Vijayawada, Guntur, Tirupati, Anantapur, Nellore and Kadapa district. The administration has deployed force in large numbers as a precautionary measures to avoid any untoward incident in wake of protests by anti and pro-Telangana activists. Meanwhile, fallouts of the announcement has begun with Congress legislator from Pendurthi Assembly constituency in Visakhapatnam P. Ramesh Babu resigning from his post, while another senior Congress Lok Sabha member from Guntur Rayapati Sambasiv Rao decided to resign from the party as well as his parliamentary seat in protest.
Telangana as a separate state are very painful to the Andhra people. For uniting the Andhra Pradesh, there are so many leaders have been sacrificed, and their sacrification has gone now in drain.
आपस के अंदर में ये जो बैर हो जाएगा, लड़ाई झगड़ा ये कंटिन्यू चलेगा, इसलिए ये जो बना है ये बहुत गलत डिसीजन हुआ है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का।
I feel bad for the next generation. They are totally lost and they won't get jobs.
Creation of the new Telangana state will take close to 6 months that involve a number of steps, including adoption of state reorganization bill by parliament with a simple majority. To begin with, the government of India will send a resolution to the Andhra Pradesh Assembly. After the resolution is passed by the Assembly, it will be sent for passing by the cabinet. At a union cabinet meeting, an in-principle approval is likely to be given for creation of a group of ministers comprising of ministers of Home, Finance, HRD, Health, Irrigation, Power, Environment and Forests and Railways, and Deputy Chairman Planning Commission to go into the economic issues on creation of the new state. The GOM will send it to the Law Ministry where it will form a bill. That bill will be sent to the Andhra Pradesh Assembly for further comments. The Union Home Ministry will prepare another note for the Union Cabinet with reorganization bill on the basis of the recommendations and suggestions of the group of ministers requesting the Union Cabinet to approve the state reorganization bill. After the second cabinet meeting, the Prime Minister would recommend to the President that the draft bill be referred under Article 3 of the Constitution to the state legislature for their views to be given within 30 days. A notice will be given for introduction of the reorganization bill in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. After introduction in both the houses of parliament, the bill has to be passed by a simple majority. After being passed by both the houses of parliament, the bill will be sent to President for the notification and the new state Telangana will come into existence. Bureau Report, DD News.